If you are new to Gelsoft and wondering what the game rules are, you are in the right place.
Kung gusto mo maging handa bago sumabak sa field, mahalagang malinaw sa iyo ang mga rules.
In this video, we will discuss some of the rules you need to know before joining your first Gelsoft game.
Hindi ito lahat ng rules, pero ito ang mga general rules na madalas sinusunod sa karamihan ng games.
Keep in mind that these rules can slightly change depending on the game mode, the field, and the organizer.
Kaya laging makinig sa briefing at sundin ang specific rules ng game na sasalihan mo.
So whether this is your first time playing or you just want to play smarter,
Watch the entire video para mas handa ka sa una mong laro.
I'm Jay.
And I'm She. Tara, samahan niyo kaming alamin ang mga rules sa Gelsoft.
Let's start with the golden rule. Be honest. Honesty is the foundation of the entire game. Walang replay, walang instant review, and sometimes walang marshal na nakabantay sa lahat ng galaw.
Kapag may konting daya, patay agad yung vibe. Hindi ka na-relax maglaro, imbes na excitement, frustration ang pumapalit. Honesty keeps the game light, exciting, at gustong-gusto mong balikan.
Once the game starts, eye protection stays on until the match ends. This prevents life-changing injuries and keeps the site open and legal.
Fog is annoying, oo, pero mas annoying ang eye injury. Keep in mind na may ibang players na naglalaro pa, at pwede kang matamaan bigla. Protection mo yan, huwag mong isugal.
No real firearms or airsoft on actual game. They operate at a much higher FPS and joules. Ibang level ng power, ibang level ng protective gear ang kailangan.
Iba ang tunog, iba ang impact, iba ang risk. Hindi yan kayang saluhin ng ating gear. Gelsoft to. Basic protective gear lang, sapat na. Pag ginamit mo yan, nirisk mo ang safety ng lahat ng players. Okay lang mag-flex, huwag lang makasakit.
No love shots. This isn't a basketball or artillery. This rule exists to keep the use of terrain and cover fair and controlled.
Kapag puro lap shot, tsambahan na lang ang game. Hindi na tactical, hindi na realistic. Mas masaya ang laban kapag nanalo ka dahil sa skills at diskarte.
No blind firing. If you don't have a direct line of sight of the target, don't shoot. This rule keeps engagement skill-based and hindi hulaan.
Proper picking and tactical moves ang goal, hindi spray and pray. Kapag blind firing, nawawala ang control at nagiging delikado. Mas satisfying talaga kapag alam mong clean hit.
Don't shoot through tight gaps or tiny cracks. The main reason is simple. If you can shoot someone, they should be able to shoot you back.
Kapag ganito, one-sided na ang laban. Ikaw safe, sila may tama. Unfair naman, di ba? Try mo na lang proper picking at minimal exposure.
Stay inside the play area. The boundaries exist for a reason. Once you step outside and start shooting, you're creating angles nobody can answer.
Kapag nasa labas ka tapos bumaril ka, parang nakikipagsuntukan ka tapos may hawak kang tubo. Hindi yan skill. Daya yan. Balik ka sa loob.
Only direct hit counts. This rule prevents random eliminations. Otherwise, wall gets more kills than players.
Isipin mo, tinamaan ka ng ricochet tapos out ka. Ano yun, kalaban mo yung pader? Direct hit lang. Simple and fair.
Yes, even if teammate mo, friendly fire still counts. These forces target identification at trigger discipline.
Yung baril ka ng baril tapos biglang sumigaw ng hit, pagtingin mo, kakampi mo pala. Always identify the target first.
Grenades are part of the strategy in the game. If you're within 5 meters, you're hit.
At wag din tayo magdala ng sobrang daming granada. Kapag ganon, hindi na Jelsof yung laro. Batuhan na lang. Wala nang barilan.
If you get tagged with a training knife, it is considered a hit. This avoids dangerous point-blank shooting.
Yung akala mo safe ka na, tas bigla kang nasaksak sa likod. Wala nang baril-baril. Out ka na agad.
If you got hit, stay silent until the game ends. No talking, no callouts, no coaching. This protects strategy.
Kapag may deadman talking, nasisira ang flanks at rotations. Sayang yung magandang play. Clutch moment na, na-spoil mo pa. Out ka na eh. Chill ka na lang at mag-enjoy manood hanggang matapos ang match.
If sabay kayo tinamaan, both kayong out. This rule exists to prevent arguments kung sino ang nauna.
Walang replay, walang slow-mo. Mas okay na pareho kayong out kaysa 10 minutes debate. Double hit saves friendships.
Gel hits don't leave marks, so don't be a zombie. You might be having fun now, but everyone else is just frustrated.
At real talk lang, natatandaan ang zombie players. Nakakapagod silang kalaro. Eventually, iiwasan ka ng mga players. Pati team mo malilabel na madadaya. Kung gusto mo maging welcome sa susunod na laro, simply commit to your hits.
Always listen to the marshal's callouts. They keep the game organized, flowing, at safe. Think of them as a traffic light, hindi sila optional.
Kapag hindi ka nakikinig, nagiging free-for-all ang laro. Delikado na, pwede pa magka-issue ang site. Na-call out ka, out ka na.
If you see a role being broken, don't escalate. Stay calm, keep playing right, and be the bigger person on the site.
Kung ikaw ang tinamaan, i-acknowledge mo lang yung hit. Walang sigawan, walang init ng ulo. After that, i-report sa marshal or sa squad lead. Sila ang bahala mag-handle nun.
We're all here to play, not to argue. At the end of the day, these rules are here to keep the game safe and fun.
Para patas ang laban at maganda ang experience ng lahat.
When everyone plays fair, the game just hits different.
Kaya sundin ang rules, alagaan ang set isa, at enjoyin ang laro.
And that's it for this one.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, consider liking and subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
See you on the next video. Goodbye!
Charles, doon tayong dalawa sa sa gilid.
Dito?
Oo. Pag na-hit ako, pag na-hit ka, What? By pair tayo by pair.
Pag night ako, night ka.
Revive mo ako, susugurin ko. Patay ka ba? Ba't sumusugod ka? Josh! Susugod ako, dali!
Hoy, dead man talking!
Wala na, patay na ako! Oy, huwag mo parilin!
Otra como un Ivy, no responde pero siempre tira un like y eso me tiene pensando she likes me. Si te quedas conmigo vamos a hacer twins.